welcome back to the channel. Today, again, bodywork. See this big hole here. I did the similar thing on the other side. Don't know how bad it is, but I will open it and you see here a hole and there a hole. This is the biggest hole here, but the heater channel underneath it is something that I need to address too. Okay, here we go and enjoy the video. Here we are now. I start with looking how to clean this up, and I guess I will cut it here until there, go underneath it, then to there, because this is welded up to the intersection to another plate here, so I don't need to cut this deep. Let's start cleaning up and we go from there. It's always better to use a filter, because all the rust and dust, you don't want that in your lungs. So I have here a rust hole here, and it goes up to there. So I know I will clean it a little bit more up here, so we can see how bad the iron is at the top. So, ear protection for the eyes also. Oh. So now I'm going to cut it loose, or smash it loose. In every corner it's stuck. Here. Also a very easy tool. It did a lot of nasty jobs already. You can buy that everywhere that you want. And it's a magical tool on chassis, bodies and metalwork. And wow, look at the treasure that is coming out here. These are the rubbers. And I see, where is my needle now? Well, I guess you guys, you have also the same problem, that you have something in your hands and then it vanish one sort of way. Well, I guess I left it on the table. It's gone. Yeah. No explanation. So I tap it with this hard steel tip here in a pointer, and I go, after 3 times I go through. So I will cut this out until I have better metal. tap this out. I hope I can. There we have it. Keep the peace. I guess they spot welded it a little bit. Yep. Let's see now. That's one off. Right, I made this piece here out of the template that I had, that I have cut out. As you see, I have to bend it for this corner here and a 90 degrees angle to sit over here. But for that, you cannot do two things at the same time, so I have to bend it 90 degrees, yeah, then I have to cut it approximately in two places, I guess, then we can make the corner here. So at first I will draw the lines where I have to bend it, and after that I will make the corner. Here it is, 90 degrees, yeah. But as you can see, here it's doable that I can hammer it in the corner, but from here there's a big corner here, so I need to cut this out. Let me mark this. So I made 3 cuts like you see here, yeah. Now I can bend this plate with no problems. So I have the 90 degrees and I can bend this plate in place now. Then I have to do some grinding and cutting to make this piece finally fit very well. So now I'm going to tap it using this block here. We'll see how it goes. Now we have this piece in place. It will be a little bit tapping with the hammer to get it right. But first of all, I'm going to weld these cuts and clean them up. Okay, sorry for the compressor, but yeah, we need that in the shop, so in the workshop. So now I will weld this in. So make sure that you have 1 millimeter. First going to spot weld it here. Yeah, that's too hot. I'm gonna set my welder a little bit harder here. Well, now I made this piece. It was not an easy one. It's already been painted with zinc spray, yeah. This was a very difficult one because it has to sit here. It's not perfect for the moment, but I will tap it in place when I weld it in. I made it in one piece, otherwise I don't think it will be looking good. So let's weld this in and clean it up, and hopefully it will be a right decision. Here we go. So now you see that I have no gap in there, so I will cut it with my little cutter there, and I'm going a little gap there so I can weld it like I want to. So the welding is done on this piece. I have to clean it up, a little bit of paint, zinc spray, and then we can go to the other spots. I'm very pleased with how it came out. I have to do some tapping here. We'll do it now, so it gets smoothly here.